Good students, today I will teach you about interest compounded quarterly. Okay, before it I have taught you about interest compounded annually and interest compounded half yearly, and today we will study about interest compounded quarterly. Okay, quarterly, here let P be principal and rate r percent per annum. Okay, and time 1 year. These types of questions given. Then here, if interest is compounded quarterly, okay, in this case rate divided by 4 times, then we get per annum. Here the rate is r percent per annum, but change in quarterly, then we divide rate divided by 4, r percent by 4, then it is converting per quarter. Okay, in this case pay installment 4 times of 3 months. In 1 year 3 months, thus we pay installment 4 times. Okay, in हिंदी इंस्टॉलमेंट मीन्स किस्त, 4 किस्त में हम इसको पे करते हैं. When compound interest given in quarterly, in this case. Okay, in this case rate divided by 4, then convert in quarter, and time, and here time 1 year multiplied by 4, then it convert into 4 quarters. 4 times 4 times installments is paid. After this, on this basis, I give you an example, which is thus: Mukesh took a loan of ₹32,000 for 1 year at 20% per annum, compounded, but compound interest pay quarterly. Then how much he has to pay 1 year, has to pay after 1 year, and as well as also find the compound interest. After 1 year, in 4 quarter times, and then we determine after 1 year how much he has to pay the amount. Okay, here solution for this: P, here P is equal to principal money, P is equal to ₹32,000 given, and time, here rate r is equal to 20%. per annum, 20% per annum, but it convert into quarterly. Then divide rate by 4. Here 20 upon 4%. Then per annum convert into quarter per quarter. Per quarter. Per quarter. Okay. Then it's get here 5, 4 1 जा 4, 4 5 जा 5% per annum per quarter. Okay. And time is equal to 1 year. Then it also convert into quarter. Then multiply it by 4. 1 into 4 quarter. Then it's convert into quarters. Here 4 quarter. Okay. Then it's convert into quarterly rate and time. After this solve it by formula. Therefore A is equal to, solve it by the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. N time of period. Here P is equal to 32,000 and here 1 plus rate 5 by 100 to the power n. N means 4. Here n is equal to 4 quarter. Okay. Thus here 32,000 into 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10. 1 plus 1 upon 20 to the power 4. Okay, student. Here 32,000. Here 20 plus 1. Here 21 upon 22 power 4. After this expand its 32,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. Okay, then expand this in this form. Okay, and here 0 cancel, this 0 cancel this, and this 0 cancel this 0. Okay, and here 2 10 जा and here 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12. Okay, and here 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, and here write 2 8 जा 16 and here 2 4 जा and here 2 2 जा. Okay, and here divide it 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा. Thus we get here 21 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon 5. Okay, and here 21 into 21, 441, and here 21 into 21, 441 upon 5. Okay, student. During the calculation, we get During the calculation, we get 38,896.2 rupees is the amount. After 1 year, he has to pay amount 38,896.20 rupees. Okay, and here compound interest is equal to A minus P. Here 38,896.20 minus 32,000 principal money. Then we get here amount is equal to 6896.20 rupees is the compound interest. Okay, student, which is answer. Thus, he has to pay after 1 year's amount is equal to 38,896.2 rupees, and compound interest is 6,896 in 1 year. Okay, student, these types of questions you can solve on this basis. Okay, student. Next problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student. Thank all of you.